sit.
Okay. Amy's gonna sit with the others?
No.
Why not? And they all fit together in the chair?
Yeah.
Which baby is that one?
Baby Ashley.
Yeah, that's baby Ashley. And which is that one?
Baby Amy.
Yeah.
Sit down. Baby Ashley, sit
Oh,
down.
Ashley sit down too?
Yeah.
Okay.
No way.
Oh, there's room. How about she sits down right here on the edge? How about that?
Ashley.
Oh, in the middle. Okay. We gotta let Lottie outside, baby.
Amy, sit. Ashley.
Okay, baby.
Baby Ashley, sit. Ashley.
Really?